Guys, today we are seeing another trailer we made for our Sudanese client. As a typical requirement for Sudan market, they need those type of dropside and fence on the top. The difference between the before trailers, this one they have about 2,000 liters diesel fuel tank in the front. They have the outlet over here. And this is the electricity bucket socket, and this is the air connection, and those are our numbers for the contract. In the bottom we can see the Yost landing gear, which is stronger and made by the steel. It looks good, and we can see the fuel tank has been mounted on the side beam and also on the post on the bulkhead in the front, and they have the lifting point in the left and right side. Behind the fuel tank we have the normal drop side with the lock device in the middle, and that lock device on the top, and this hinge over here, and over there is a normal hinge, and those rubber gasket is prevent when you are dropping the drop side, it won't damage the side beam. Alright, here we can see the landing gear. Landing gear is quite a strong design. They have the bracket in between the left and right, and also the 45 angle and another 45 to the rear to make the components is quite strong. And here we can see the kingpin and the kingpin plate. The kingpin is obviously 3.5 inch and bolted type. Those type of bolted type kingpin, you can easily remove those bolts and change to the 2-inch kingpin. It is quite convenient. In the front you can see the braking line, and the electricity and braking line is over there. Here we can see the container twist lock. You can also put the containers inside. Also you can see our structure very clearly from the bottom, and that's our reinforcement plate all behind the bottom flange. This is bottom flange, which is a part of the main beam, and this is the web plate, and all to the behind. Now we can see the two boxes over there. It's quite small, and side protection with another side protection. That's a spare tire carrier. You can put spare tire over there. I'm sure they have another one in the left. Yeah, right. They also have the one in the left. Because we have a bar here, so let's make us easier. We get up. Okay, those are the bolts of the landing gears. You can see landing gears bolts all to our side, easily to check if you have loose any nuts or not. This is the rope hook. When you are having some rope, you need to have something to hold. You can put it here. This is a removable side protection, and this is a spare tire operational device. You can put the stick here inside and operate the spare wheels to go to the ground. This is the rope fastener. If you put a rod bar here and just move it, it will fasten your rope very steady. And this is the toolbox looks from the outside, how it looks like. And that's the post. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 posts, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 drop side and 6 fans each side. Here we can easily see the suspension. Suspension is especially made for Sudan market, and the axle space is 1800. It's 1800. This is the pattern of the tire. pattern of the tire. Here we can see the axle is 10 start. It's 10 start axle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, yes. And that's the rim. Rim, outside the rim is tire. This is tire. It's a triangle tire. Triangle 12R20. Here we have the reinforcement plate over here. This is a reinforcement plate to reinforce the suspension, because when you are turning the trailer, the suspension is taking a lot of force. This is the mud guard. We are welding this on the top, on the web. Actually, we can do this as a removable mud guard steel plate. Maybe next time, not this time. Okay, this is how it looks like from the rear of the light. We are seeing the rear of the trailer. The rear of the trailer is quite similar like the side, because the wall at the rear is dropping to the ground, and that one is also dropping to the ground. So that's everything from the rear. Let's go under the chassis. Okay, the rear is quite narrow, but we can still get in. Luckily, we're not very big. Okay, so here we can see the under the chassis, how neat it is. That's air reserve tank. After air reserve tank, that's the braking hose and nylon tube and air braking chamber, a leaf spring as usual. This one's checked. This one, one more time. This will prevent the leaf spring damage this boat very fast. And that one is U-boat. That's U-boat, and that's a cast steel U-boat seat. That's very important because someone use very weak quality, and the U-boat will damage the spring very fast. Okay, that's the electricity line, and that's how it looks like of the frame we have built. Quite strong, and some welding defects, but it's acceptable. And those steel bars are preventing the equalizer to moving left and right, because we have a longer equalizer. The equalizer, if we don't have the left and right positioners, they're gonna move to the right and left. Okay, let's get out. All right, that's the light. Quite normal, same as the other trailers. And that's the twist lock bars. You can easily operate it from here. We have 12 of this, which means it can carry 2 20-foot or 1 40-foot. This is how it looks like from here. So yeah, this one is bigger than the normal trailer's axle space. The axle space is actually this. It's 1 meter and 800 millimeter. All right, that's another side protection. Whoa, we need to get on the top. But this one is pretty high. Let's try. We're on the top. Luckily, we are young enough to do the climbing. Anyway, that's 1, 2 container locks. We have 12. Doesn't need to count. This one is the rope between the 2 posts to make sure the structure, when it's fully loaded, it does not open to the left and right. We put 5 cable in the left and right post. Inside we can see it's well painted and well welded. On the floor, we have those type of checked plate. It would give more force to the cargo. So if you carry the bags, it won't move inside left and right when you're driving, because we have more force to given by those specially checked plate. And that's how it looks like inside. And that's the post. It is removable. Now it's stuck in the hole, and you can get it out for the delivery. We can pack 2 of those, 2 of this trailer as one package. Let's move to the front and see the bulkhead. Okay, another one. To left. one left. Okay, now we are in the front. This is where the fuel tank fastened to, and this is how it looks like in the front. And we have a very strong, very huge internal steel on the top to give it a very strong structure here. All right, this is how it looks from the front to the rear. Okay, let's get to the ground. Now we're on the ground. Okay, takes the force to climb in and climb out. That's I think that's everything we need to say for this trailer today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any comments, please leave to below or email to us. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.